Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the iOS 13.3.1, which has just been released to the public after going through 3 different beta stages. So iOS 13.3.1, the newest addition to iOS 13, of course, will bring a ton of improvements and fixes. Don't expect to see any major features or changes on iOS 13.3.1, as this is a smaller update which is focused mainly on improvements and bug fixes. So in this video we're going to talk about what's new and also the performance and the battery life that you can expect with iOS 13.3.1. Now here we have the full changelog of iOS 13.3.1, and of course it will fix a few different bugs. One of them, the biggest one that was known with 13.3, was on the new feature, the communication limits, that basically there was a bug that could allow contact to be added even with the communication limits turned on. That has been fixed. Also, it will address issues with the mail. Also will fix issues that could cause multiple undos dialogues to appear in the mail. Also, it will resolve issues where notifications don't deliver, and also it will introduce support for Indian English Siri voice for the HomePod. And of course, there's another addition that has been added to iOS 13.3.1, very important, in the privacy settings. So if you go to settings and then you go to privacy, you will have here, of course, location services. And if you go here to system services, you will see this is new right here. Networking and wireless. This is new. Apple has added this, and on the newer devices, what it will do is that it will disable the ultra-wideband wireless chip. That's only on the new devices. So some users have reported that the location services is still working in the background. Even if location services is off, this will still use your location, and you would see the arrow appearing right there on the status bar. Now Apple has added this new feature here that allows you to disable that. So if you disable networking and wireless, you will get a notification here that says turning off location for networking and wireless will also affect Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and ultra wideband performance. So you can choose to switch it on or off directly from here. Now, when talking about battery performance, I have tested iOS 13.3.1 on my iPhone 11 Pro here, on my iPad Pro, as well as on my iPhone 10. And overall, the battery performance is good. It's basically the same as iOS 13.3. Don't expect any bigger improvements on battery on iOS 13.3.1. The same goes for performance. Of course, with the newer devices, the performance is always great. I didn't encounter any major bugs or any freezes or something. iOS 13.3.1 runs really smooth. Again, this tested on the iPhone 11 Pro, the iPad Pro, and the iPhone 10 as well. So that is it for this video, guys. Go ahead and update to iOS 13.3.1. As you could see right there, it will fix a ton of bugs that you might be facing on your device with iOS 13.3. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and also don't forget to leave a like on this video, and I will see you on the next one.